Hey there, quick shout out and thank you to everyone that has bought a copy of our book. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, we would like to ask that you please go and leave a review of the book on Amazon. This is very important. It will help the book get in front of other people who aren't friends, family, and fellow wanderers, help expand the scope and reach of the book. Now you might say, hey, I've never done an Amazon review before. I don't know how to do that. We're going to fix that right now. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go find the book in your Amazon account. If you scroll down through the listing toward the bottom, you'll get to the review sections and you'll see the button that says write a review. So you touch that, you do a star rating. We're hoping for a 4 or a 5. You type in a title for your review and then you type in the text to write your review. Short and sweet is just fine. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but we would like it to be honest. When you're done, you hit submit, and it'll go on its way in about 24 hours. It should be live on Amazon. The other thing you can do is go into your purchase history, click on the book. That'll open up a new screen. Scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see the section where you can write a review. From here, you do the exact same thing. Star rating, a title, and write your review. There you go. It's really that easy. It'll only take a few minutes. We would really appreciate it if you could leave a review. Again, thank you for support. Now go do it. Go do the review thing. No, right now. No, go do it. Thanks.